and line this leg up about there and about the top of this line here, and the width looks good there and it looks good here, so that's pretty close to what I'm looking for. And when I'm done with the primitive tool, I can just hit the space bar, and that tells Lightwave that I'm done with that tool. And now if I come in this window and hold down the control key, or the option key rather, I can zoom around and see what I've created. My first 3D object. Fantastic, fantastic. So it leaves a little bit to be desired, so why don't we try and add some detail to it. We need to get these legs to bow out a little bit here. They kind of taper down at the end, so let's do that. We need to cut it right here so that when we move this over, it kind of bends from here and not from up here. So let's go to multiply, knife, and I'm going to hold down the control key and I'm just going to cut right along here. Okay, it doesn't really look like anything's happened. Let me come into our view up here and go to sketch mode, and you can see that it's created this extra geometry here. If I undo that, this is before, this is after we knifed. So you can see that it's added some points and created these polygons based on where I knifed. Now we need to move this leg over, so I'm just going to select the point selection, do a command select, area select. It's not an area select, it's a lasso select. And I'm going to go to modify and go to move. I'm holding down the control key. That'll constrain it. Move it to about right there. And on this end, I'll do the same thing. Move it to about right there. Let me zoom in. Okay, and now I need to size it down to give it that taper. And I think I will do that. I'll go to modify, and I still have the point selected. And I will go to size, and under modes, I will go to, you can't see it, there's mouse, which will do it based on where you click. And then there's origin, pivot, and then selection. And I've got it on selection now, you can't see, but I'll put it on mouse. And in this window, let me zoom in over here. I'll put my mouse in this top corner, hold down the control key, and drag it. Now you can see in the other windows that it's getting smaller and it's going up. That's fine